What was that? I mean, it lets me engage it again, so I didn't get a strike or anything, but what was going on there? That was bizarre. Put the hazards on and everything. Just turn it onto that road. I'm not sure what's going on. That was crazy. But in any case, that's a way to open a video, right? We're at almost in fancy Prairie, Illinois here. But yeah, that was nothing I did because it didn't give me a strike and it let me re-engage it. If it does that where you're not paying attention for a while, it'll give you like a strike, and if you get 5 of them, it'll kick you out for a week or something. But in any case, welcome to, well, I think we're half a mile away, but this is all fancy Prairie, Illinois here. Very small community. Cell phone use prohibited.
Turn left onto Caldwell Street.
I'm going to disengage it because it is not going to slow down to 30 before this sign. Okay. Well, you can accelerate again, car. I believe I put in the fire department. Well, now it's going really slow. Okay. Yeah, that's one problem. Like, police in Illinois, at least, will sit in these small towns
Turn left onto Caldwell Street.
and give you tickets, so you don't want to, like, blast through at 50 miles an hour or something.
In 500 feet, your destination will be on the left.
I guess that was a town hall on the left there. I'm not really sure. Whoa, can we... That was, I don't know if the car could see around that corner there, but...
Now your destination is on the left.
It is? Okay. That is definitely not the fire department on my left there, but sure. Oops. I figured I have to end the trip first. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with Tesla's mapping, but that's definitely not the fire department there.
Now turn right onto Buller Street.
Very hesitant all of a sudden. Well, there's a grain elevators like every town in Illinois is required to have.
Now turn left onto Fancy Prairie Avenue.
There's some kind of old buildings here, so definitely at least parts of the town have been around. There's lots of volts in front of us. See, someone's here has got a used to plug in
Now
hydrant.
turn right onto Yegel Avenue.
Yeah, that's the first electric car. Whoa. That was abrupt. But it did it. Whoa. Some kind of potholes there.
Now your destination is on the left.
It's a dog. Yeah, see, not really much to this town. I don't know how many other places I can go. Let it drive itself here, see where it wants to go. Yeah, we've basically seen the whole entire town already. I didn't even see a sign that said Fancy Prairie or anything, so how am I going to get a thumbnail? I don't want to go right. Let's go over here to the fire station, see if I can take a picture in front of it. I assume this is like the town hall or whatever. At least there's something with the town's name on it that I can take a picture at real quick, right? All right. I think I'm going to cut over to Elkhart, Illinois now. Let's go to the community park. Yeah, sorry, Fancy Prairie is not that exciting of a town, but we've essentially seen the entire thing. If I can go. I don't think that's a actual school anymore. It might have, it used to be, I assume, but well, yeah, and that was Fancy Prairie, Illinois, a very small village, town, community, whatever you want to call it. And
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Peoria Road.
at least the video definitely started off with a bang, with FSD just deciding to quit working for no reason. But in any case, well, I guess we're still in Fancy Prairie, so I won't end it yet. Where are we turning
Turn
here?
right onto Peoria Road.
No through trucks. Good news, I'm not a truck. Alright, well, that's going to be the end of Fancy Prairie. If you want to watch more videos like this, subscribe. If you don't, well, then don't subscribe, I guess. Because it wouldn't make much sense to subscribe if you don't want to watch the videos anymore. Leave a comment if you want, hit like or dislike, or yeah. But anyway, thanks for watching.